Absolutely. We just saw going out of picture the Ford GT still trying to get its way past the Dodge Viper and unable to. Oh, a solid move made by the Ascari, but taps the 34th car of Stefan Doudi into the gravel and follows in himself. So that's not a clever move. That will eliminate those two fairly quickly from the proceedings. Is that at the Lesmos?
Can't see for all the dust.
Or Parabolica?
It's Parabolica, isn't it?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
And
they were running right up there as well.
Yeah.
Just tagged the back end there as he went. They tried to sell him the dummy and tagged the back end, and off they both went. And that's spoilt the championship hopes of that 34 car, because they picked up a win in Bucharest. That brought them up into contention in the championship, and now they are in the gravel trap. And what's he trying to say there? Was that?
Yeah, I wouldn't like to repeat that on live TV.
No, once again, we've arrived at the point where body language needs to be bleeped out. Yes, he won't be very pleased with that, will he?
No, that wasn't Andy Thompson's greatest moment, was it?
Well, I mean, that's very easily done. I would imagine that as you just jink from one side to the other.
I think maybe he anticipated him braking a little bit later, so that he just jinked back to the right, and he just tagged the back of him. Yeah. I think he thought he wasn't going to go as slow as he would into that corner. And, well, sort of neither driver's fault really. It's just a racing into them.
And whichever driver you speak to, they will have a diametrically opposite position on what happened.
You have to say though, I mean, when it's the driver behind hits the driver in front, you have to say it's his fault really, isn't it? He's the only one who can see both of the cars clearly.
Yes. So obviously the blame proportion lies more on Andy, but just racing incident, it's easily done.
Absolutely.